Attaboy. It's your big fat self. He said you fat and lazy, bro. Where you get them bad habits from, being all fat and lazy? They said you a fat, lazy American bully, bro. How you feel about that? How you feel about that? That's his language for, in his language, what he's saying is, fuck y'all. We gonna work till you motherfuckers say Camelot. This is for all my purists, B. This is for all my purists. Just pay attention to the work ethic. That's all I want you to do. Just pay attention to the work ethic. A lot of y'all got so-called Pitbulls, so-called game dogs that won't put this kind of work in. Huh? Think he got that way overnight? Yeah, he's got excellent genetics. Yeah, it's all in his pedigree. But you gotta be able to do something with it. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my goodness. I can't stop the video. I need to go to work. Man. Well, again, shout out to YouTube, man. Shout out to the Bulldog fraternity. You know, Rams, Thompson, 78, Buck City. I fucks with all of y'all, man. Shout out to QBN Kennels. Shout out to Repo Diamond. Shout out to Bando for Life. Shout out to fucking Stacking and Packing, man. You know what I mean? Definitely shout out to my boy Israel and Zulu Nation. You know what I mean? With that Red Lion stuff. Man, I love what we do with these dogs, man. And that's everybody included, man. Like, I haven't seen a channel yet, man, where I could shit on somebody's dogs like, oh, man. Well, let me just say, I wouldn't shit on none of y'all dogs, man. Like, you dudes is doing your thing, man. I salute you. I love this bull breed thing to death, man. So you call it what you want. But y'all gonna see how we do things, you know, the Imperial way, man. I have my own vision, my own way of assessing what a dog should be and how a dog should perform. And so you know, we're gonna get more into that going forward. But that could be some time down the line, admittedly. Right now we're just working on some land and some space, so we can really go ahead and run these dogs like we want to run them. But with that said, I will not keep y'all further. This is your boy Ray Imperial, signing out. Imperial Flame Kennels, y'all. Keep the heat.